Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. Today we will start by getting know-how of user interface and navigation in Autodesk AutoCAD. First thing first, here you can see we are in drafting and annotation, so let's switch to 3D modeling as we are going to work with 3D modeling here. So from here you can access the main modules. This is the main ribbon. From here you can access the top view, front view, and here you can access the 2D frame, conceptual, hidden, realistic, or whatever style you want. You can also use the view style manager from here. These are few panels here. From here we can access the view cube. This is very convenient while we are working with a project. For instance, if I draw a simple rectangle and then press pull it to get a 3D shape. Now, if I use this southwest isometric view, I can see it correctly. This is the shaded one. Now this is the top view. This is the left view. This is the front view, right view, and top view again. This is how we actually rotate them. So these are southwest isometric views. So we can use this navigation wheel as well. This is used to zoom. All we need to do is simply click and hold on that place. This is for orbiting. You can use the same thing by holding the shift key and then middle mouse button. This is how we actually rewind whatever we have done. And this is used to pan. You can do it simply by holding the middle mouse button too. This is to center tool. This is the walking. Then we have lock, and this is for the top and bottom view. If you want to close it, you can simply go to the cross symbol and then click like this. This is the pan tool. This is zoom extend. There are a few more options if you use this drop down menu. I prefer zoom extends. This is orbit. You can use free orbit or continuous orbit. The better is simply hold the shift key and then use the middle mouse button to orbit. This is for the slow motion. It provides an on-screen display for creating and playback the cinematic view. Now we can simply select it using left mouse button and then press the delete key from the keyboard to get rid of it. This was the very basics of user interface and navigation. In the next few sessions, we will see each and everything in detail. So nothing to worry about. Let's call it today. See you in another session. Till then, take care.